Hi, this is Charlie Zeitz with Stargate Pyramids. Today's video is entitled Stargate Pyramid Geometry Found in the Geometry of Light and Sound. This is part of a larger study that I've done recently on my YouTube page, but I wanted to just do a short video today to review the fact that Stargate Pyramid Geometry, which is the geometry of creation, is found in both the refraction of light and in the amplification of sound. And I don't think that this is an accident. So I wanted to show you these two examples very quickly so you can understand the truly profound significance of these two discoveries. So I'm going to open up my presentation here real quickly, and we'll get started. As you see, this is the cover from the video today. We're going to talk first about light and then about sound, but as you can see from the cover, you're going to find two geometries that are exactly the same. So first of all, with respect to light and its refraction, this work was actually done by Clay Taylor, and the article that he wrote this in is called Spherical Refraction, the Magnetic Relationship Between Light and the Universal Shape. And in this experiment, what Clay did was he took sunlight, and if you look at the dark tube here, he actually subjected sunlight into this tube, and he used sunlight so that he wouldn't get any real distortion in terms of the source of the light, perhaps distorting the impact of the experiment. But basically what he did at the end of this tube, he put a glass sphere, which you'll see right here, into the edge, which fit perfectly into the edge of the tube. And then he opened up the sunlight and checked the angles of refraction. And surprisingly, or not surprisingly, actually to me, having seen this so many places, the angle of refraction that occurs is the Phi Scaling Angle. It's the geometry of creation. It's the geometry of the Stargate Pyramid. So I think this is particularly important when one considers the significance of light in the process of scaling. It's one dimension. I guess you could say we start with pure thought, and we scale down to that of light. And then we're going to scale down in our next slide to the range of sound. And the way we're able to see this actually from the cover page, you saw the college cheerleaders there using a megaphone. And so what I've done is to look at the geometry of the megaphones that are used today and produced. And sure enough, the geometry of that megaphone is exactly the same, 76.36 degrees. So we find here two examples of this geometry, this scaling geometry, as we look at light and its refraction, and also in the context of sound with the megaphones. So two examples of geometry as part of the scaling process. Fascinating results, to say the least, and significant in the context of trying to understand the significance of the Phi Scaling Angle. So you can see more of this information on some of my longer videos for more information. And as always, I thank you for watching. Tell your friends about Stargate Pyramids. Sign up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can continue to get access to this quality information on pyramids and their significance. Thank you for listening, and you have a great day.